Good morning, friends. Welcome to my English class. Learn English easily. Learn English easily. Day 30. Yesterday, we learned something about the definite article the. Today, we will learn some more grammar from this book. Learn English grammar and creative writing. Look at me. We use the before an adjective which qualifies a proper noun. I repeat it. Before an adjective which qualifies a proper noun. For example, the great Ashoka. Great, it is adjective. It qualifies the noun Ashoka. So we have to use the before great. The great Ashoka. The brave Rani Rudramadevi. Rani Rudramadevi is proper noun. Brave is an adjective. That's why we have to use the before brave. The brave Rani Rudramadevi. 10th principle. Before the adjective which gives the meaning of a collective noun. I repeat it. Before the adjective which gives the meaning of a collective noun. For example, the rich are not always cruel. The rich means the rich people. Here, rich means the rich people. The rich are not always cruel. Next, it represents the collective noun, rich people. That's why we have used here the. 2. We should help the poor. Poor means poor people. Poor people. That's why we have used here the. 11th principle. With double comparative adverbs. With double comparative adverbs. The more, the merrier. More is adverb. Merrier is also adverb. Double. Adverbs have come. That's why we have to use the before everyone. Each one. Here. 2. For example, the harder she studies, the better results she will get. The harder she studies, the better results she will get. That is used here and here. Now, 12th one. Before the nations and people, the English speaks English. The English means people of England. English means English language. So, if we use the here, what happens? So, it gives the meaning people of England. If we don't use before the, it gives the meaning English language. 13th one. Before imaginary lines on the earth. Before imaginary lines on the earth. For example, the equator. Equator is an imaginary line on the earth. That's why we have used the here. The Tropic of Cancer. That is used before Tropic of Cancer. It is also an imaginary line on the earth. 14th one. Before the races, political parties, historical events. The Jews is a race. Jews is a race. That's why we have used the before it. The Santhal, it is also a race. That's why we have used the before it. The Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress is a political party. It's a political party. That's why we have used the before it. The Quit Indian Movement. The Quit Indian Movement. It is an historical event. It is an historical movement. That's why we have used it before it. Now, exercise. Use the wherever necessary. French defeated German. You have to use the wherever necessary in this exercise. 2. Late Mrs. Indira Gandhi abolished preview purse. Third one, Brave Jhansi Rani started Indian freedom movement. Fourth one, rich should help poor. 5. Harder we work, better results we get. Sixth one, faster you go, earlier you reach. Seventh one, French speak French. 8. International dateline goes through Greenwich. Ninth one, Communist Party of India was formed in 1925. 10. Kind Teresa helped poor. You have to use the wherever necessary. Structure. He, she, it dislikes to abuse others. From the structure, you can make three sentences with he, she, and it. I give you an example. He dislikes to abuse others. She dislikes to abuse others. It dislikes to abuse others. You see, you have to remove these words after to abuse others, and you say add these words and make new sentences. Some verbs: addict, bargain, blame, borrow, change. I give you an example. He dislikes to addict for drinks. He dislikes to bargain. He dislikes to blame others. He dislikes to borrow money. He dislikes to change his attitude. In this way, you have to use he and it and make new sentences from these verbs. Now, opposite words: comments and comedy, tragedy, connect, disconnect, conquest, defeat, correct, incorrect. Friends, I hope better that you are doing well. Thank you. All the best.